How to create a YouTube channel for a nonprofit organization. To create a YouTube channel for a nonprofit organization, follow these steps. Sign into YouTube with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. Click on the camera icon in the top right corner of the screen to create a new channel. Select Use a Business or Other Name and enter the name of your nonprofit organization. Agree to the terms of service and click Create. Set up your channel by adding a profile picture and a banner image, and filling out the About section with information about your nonprofit organization. To verify your nonprofit status, click on the verification option in the channel settings and follow the prompts to complete the verification process. This may require you to provide proof of your nonprofit status, such as a tax-exempt certificate or a letter from a government agency. Once your channel is set up and verified, you can start uploading videos and creating content for your audience. Consider using YouTube to share updates about your organization, educational content, fundraising campaigns, and other information that may be of interest to your supporters. Remember to adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service when creating and uploading content to your channel. This will help ensure that your content is appropriate and respectful, and will help you avoid any potential issues with YouTube.